Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can make your videos look full HD. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to be importing a video onto my timeline, and now the first step is to create an adjustment layer because we don't want to just directly apply filters on our video. So we are going to be creating an adjustment layer and just put all our effects onto that adjustment layer. So now we need to head over to our curves, and in here we need to increase it from the top right side a little bit, and you can see we need to decrease it from below. So you can see it is already started to look much more vibrant, so you can do that for other colors as well. Now we're going to be heading over to our HSL secondary, and in here we are going to be just increasing the sliders so it looks much more natural. Maybe increase the saturation a little bit and the brightness as well. Now we're going to be heading over to basic, and from here we are going to be increasing the sharpness and saturation as well. So you can see it looks much more better than original one, and that's how you can make your videos full HD. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.